everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Sorry it's been a long time again, but now you know the news that me and Sam are having a baby. So a lot has been going on. We've had builders in, we've been trying to get the rooms ready for the baby. We've had so much going on and so much to catch up on, but so the renovation part 3 is coming very soon, but I thought because we're concentrating on the nursery, I'd do a renovation nursery video, because from what it was to what it's going to be, it's like a big transformation, so I thought I'd vlog it all. So yeah, I am 5 months now. I can't believe how quick it's going. We've got all our bits, but at the moment everything is just in mine and Sam's room. The baby's chest of drawers are there, and then we've got all his sleep suits, nappies, outfits just like piled on top, still with the coat hangers, still with the labels, still some things are unwrapped, and then I go and think, oh my god, I forgot about that, or oh my god, I forgot someone bought us that. So now I'm 5 months, I'm actually 23 or 24 weeks. I think I'm 23 weeks. I think it's about time we concentrated on the nursery. So I will try and find some old photos of the box room. Well, let me just tell you actually. So this room, what we're in at the minute, is the back bedroom. So this was going to be the baby's nursery, but as you can see, we've not done it the baby's nursery because we're having a little boy, and I've got like a salmon dusk pink feature wall in here. So I thought this room is actually a bit too big for a baby's nursery at the minute, and I thought with my dressing stuff, I thought I could nurse in here. I thought it'd be much more, it's much more appropriate, much more practical if we use the box room for the nursery at the moment, because he's not going to be in it till he's 6 months. So I thought, let's do the box room as the nursery. This is like a guest bedroom slash nursing room slash getting ready room. And then when he's older, he can either have this room or, I don't know, we'll see how it pans out. So I will show you the box room in a picture, if I can ever find one on my phone, or a video of what it looked like when we bought it, and then I will show you a video of like how it's going. But I'll just take you through now and I will show you where we're up to. So this is the box room currently. So I don't know if you remember, I think it was on renovation part 1. This had like a 70s plastic like wood effect paneling with like asbestos or something behind it. So that's all been ripped out, and then here was like an old, let me just go in, and then here was like an old disgusting wardrobe that matched the paneling. So that's all been ripped out, and that's been ripped out. Oh god, is it not focusing? There you go. So that's all been ripped out. Here has all been ripped out, and the whole room has been replastered, as you can see. The reason this wall is still patchy is because we are going with this wallpaper on this as a feature wall, and then we've just used Egyptian cotton for the 3 rooms, 3 walls. We've had a new radiator fitted. Obviously we've still got on carpets, the cot's not up, but I'll just show you. This is where we're up to at the minute. We've had, that is not architrave, I actually forgot what it's called, but the door was so small, so we've had it widened. And then this is where we're up to. So you can see that we've used Egyptian cotton, and then the white just to soak in the plaster. And then we're going to wallpaper it, a feature wall. I'm going to have some nice cream carpet in here, some nice cream curtains. There's just so much to do. So that is the box room nursery up to now. I'll keep you posted. So I'll keep you posted. This bit here is like under the stairs, so we can't get rid of it. So we've got a joiner coming next week fitting me a nice white wardrobe that's like full to the floor. I'm gonna put two rails in it for me for the baby clothes. So he's gonna build that, I'm gonna paint it, I'm gonna get some nice gold handles. And then it's onto the carpets. Oh, there's just so much to do. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. I'll probably see you end of next week when the wardrobe's done, or I'm painting it with my mum. But yeah, for you it'll be 20 seconds, so fast forward. So, it's officially been a week since I last spoke to you guys. Bits have happened, so I thought I'd pick up the camera today and vlog, just to excuse the state of me, but today's painting day. I can't believe I'm actually officially, yesterday I was officially 6 months pregnant. Can't believe it. But I'll just show you. We've had a joiner in the nursery, and he's built this wardrobe. The only thing is, I don't know if it's too big, and I feel like it overpowers the room, but it hasn't been painted yet, so it might look different when it's painted. So my task today, I'm just going to prime the inside of it and see how it goes, but I'll show you. So this is the wardrobe. I don't know if you can remember, but like under there is the stairs. So this was wasted space anyway. We couldn't use this corner. It was either leave the ramp there or put something there. So we decided to do from floor to ceiling wardrobes in the shaker style. I'll just show you. When you walk in, that's the only thing. I feel like it does block. I feel like there's not enough space in this room now, but it might be different when the paint is, which I'm going to paint today. I'll just show you inside. I have just, it is huge, and I've just tested it out. Just put some of his clothes in just to see. There's the arch, if you can see. It's got 2 rails and a big shelf. And that's it up to the minute. Oh, I can't believe all these clothes hung up. But I'm going to take them out now, and then I'm going to prime this and just see how it goes. Oh, I might prime the doors. I don't know. Anyway, I'll get priming and I'll get back to you. So I've painted one door, well, prime one door, and I've actually ran out of primer, so I'm gonna have to nip to B&Q and get some more paint. I don't know how I feel about this wardrobe, but I think once it's white and it's got my lovely brass doors on, it'll look lovely. Yeah, but I'll see you when it's finished. So it's been a couple of days since I last spoke to you about the nursery, and we've made some progress. I've painted the wardrobe. I think I've done 2 or 3 coats of primer. It needs another coat of primer and then a gloss, so we've still a long way to go, but it looks so much better just being white. So I'll just show you where I'm up to. So there is the wardrobe. I've still got up there to do, but it's hard being so pregnant and being up ladders. But yeah, it looks so much better. Let me just show you from the side. When you walk in, it isn't as like in your face now. And I've painted the inside as well. White. Obviously, I've just got to do up there, but it's so hard. It looks so much better. So we decided I'm going to have like newborn 0 to 3, 3 to 6. And then it's older clothes up there that he's not going to use because it's quite high. And then I'm going to put all these pants, nappies, shoes here. It's going to look so cute, but it is huge, that wardrobe. I've just got up there to do. And then another coat of primer and then gloss. I'm going to get some lovely big gold handles, which I think will go with the theme of the room. I'll just show you as well. His little wash basket I got from Dunelm the other day. This was supposed to be £30 and I got it on sale for 15. And as you can tell, we're having a safari theme room, but I thought that was a bargain. So bank holiday Monday today. Sam's at work and I'm gonna do another coat on the wardrobe. I'm even out of breath just talking, so wish me luck painting, and I'll probably see ya next time I'm gonna vlog. Hopefully the skirting boards will be on, because as you can see at the minute we've got no skirting boards, no floor, no light, no blind, nothing. So hopefully next time I see you we'll have skirting boards, possibly a carpet, possibly the cot up, changing mat. But yeah, I'll see ya. So it's officially been I think it's officially been 3 or 4 weeks since I last spoke to you on the camera. I think I was either 26 or 28 weeks pregnant. I'm now 33. So there's been a big gap from, obviously you would have seen it like 10 seconds ago, but it would have been, there's like a big gap from like when I last vlogged, because we was waiting so long for the joiner to do the skirting boards. Then we could get the carpet fitted, then get the cot in, then get the chest of drawers in, then do the wallpapering. So carpenter's beam, skirting boards are fitted, glossed, wallpaper's on, handles are on the wardrobe. We've put some shelves up, so there's a big difference. And today is like the get-go day. Sam starts coming around putting the cot up, and I'm going to change the knobs on the chest of drawers to gold, so I'll just show you where we're up to. This is the room colour currently. So this is the wallpaper we've gone for, because we're doing like a safari theme. Got lovely brass handles now on the wardrobes, even though I still think they look massive. They are a bit better in person than on camera. We've got lovely cream DFS carpet. Then this is obviously the cot that we need to put up. And then we've just got this cute little reading corner, and this is off Etsy. Some lady makes them and it says read. It's like with it's a wire with wool, and I thought I'll put that up there or on the side. Sorry about the dogs barking. Sam's dad's here now, so sorry if the dogs were barking then. Sam's dad's just been and put the cot up and moved the chest of drawers in. I've bought these, let me just show you. I bought these cute little gold knobs to go on there. And I'll just show you. I don't think you'll be able to, yeah. There's this cute little room and his towels. So I'm not going to show you anymore. I'm going to show you the end result of his room. I can't quite believe I'm saying this, but the nursery's finished. Oh my god, has it been long-winded. I know for you in this video it would have been like snap snap snap, but it's been so long-winded. I started the video when I was 23 weeks pregnant. I'm now nearly 37. I'm so swelled, I can't breathe. But luckily the nursery's finished, so I'll show you the result. Dead proud of it, dead proud of me and Sam. And yeah, it's probably the nicest room in the house up to now, so I'll just show you. Da, da, da. So there's this little nursery. I'm so happy with how it's turned out. I love it. I've just had to turn that pillow around because it's got his name on it, so I've just recorded it and now I've got to record again. But yeah, as you walk in, we've gone with the cream carpet, we've gone with all these little teddies, he's got all these towels here. Then when you come in, obviously we've gone with a safari theme for our little boy. And then look out, this is from Mama's and Papa's. Look at the like family of elephants on it. How cute is that? So yeah, that's that. Then we've got this. I know obviously this is not staying in here, I've just put it in here now for show. I know all them teddies, everything, it's got to be empty, but for now I think it looks cute, and he's not going to be in here till he's 6 months anyway. We've gone with these tape lines, which I'm obsessed with. I want all around the house. And then these are actually from B&M, and they're like teddy bear texture, and we actually have them in the spare bedroom. Got his little reading corner, and all these books, like this one I remember when I was little, Elmer obviously, the caterpillar, Going on a bear hunt, Tiger Came to Tea. All these were like my childhood books, so reading them to him is going to be dead cute because it's like nostalgia. Got his little elephant wash basket, and then this is like his little changing area with this mirror, and then I've got like his little changing stuff here, all nappy stuff, Muslims, hand gel, and then this, I've got a nappy change coming, a safari one, but it's been delayed in the delivery. So here I'm going to put a nappy change safari on, so I can just get him out the shower, get him out the bath, put him on here, do all the baby massage, and then all these little bits and bobs are in here which need organising. Just show you. Look at that. When I open them drawers, all I can smell is baby powder, and I just can't wait to, like, weird but sniff the baby. Anyway, I'll show you the knobs. These, they turned out really well actually. These are IKEA drawers, but I think because I've changed the knobs, they look better. And these wardrobes, I think they've actually turned out alright. I don't know if like you can tell on camera, but they're not as big as you think. And let me just show you inside. Bearing in mind, I've still got to organise all this stuff. I'm going to do a nursery organisation video, but got all these cute little boxes up there, and then all these clothes. And his sleep stuff, which I am going to do a video on in itself because that's just a whole nother level. But yeah, the wardrobes turned out perfect, and I think it's even better because they've got skirting on. So yeah, that is it all. And then just show you in the window, I got a little money box, a little elephant Sam got from Benidorm, and then a little picture of me and baby's scan picture. So yeah, this is the nursery. Dead proud of it. I think it's one of the nicest rooms in the house. Just show you from this way as well. Everything's matching. Yeah. So now it's literally a case of just waiting for him to come, which, you know, first baby, it could be forever, but you know, I'm being patient. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and I shall see you next time on the next vlog. Hopefully it's going to be renovation part 3 because so much has gone on. But yeah, oh, it could be when I'm packing my hospital bag, who knows. But yeah, have a nice day guys, see you later.